What is up, internet? Now, before I get into the point of this video, I just want to say that a supplement is exactly that. Supplemento. Supplements should not be the be-all end-all of your diet. No supplement is going to help you if your diet sucks. Just thought I'd get that out of the way first. Now that out of the way, today I want to go over 5 supplements that I personally believe you should be taking if you want to start taking supplements. Like I said, supplements are optional. Well, okay, there's one on here I personally think you should be taking regardless of activity level. But we'll get to that later. Number 1, protein. If you live an active lifestyle, which I assume you are if you're watching this video, or you're at least planning to, then you need protein to help build muscle. When you work out, you're actually breaking down the muscle fibers, and you need protein along with the amino acids found in them to help repair them. That's what helps them grow. If you're having trouble meeting your protein needs through solid foods like chicken, tuna, beans, etc., you may want to consider supplementing protein powder into your diet. For most people, it's a lot easier to mix in a couple scoops of protein with a cup of water than it is to eat a couple cans of tuna to meet the exact same protein needs. Now, I'm sure some of you are asking, how much protein should I be eating throughout the day? And it's hard to say. There are some studies that say you can go as low as 0.7 to 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight, and there are others that say you can go as high as 1.5 grams of protein per pound of body weight. In my personal opinion, I think it's safe to go with about 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So if you weigh 150 pounds, eat 150 grams of protein throughout the day. Now, if you're a bit heavier, I'd definitely say you're safe to go around that 0.7 to 0.8 mark. But otherwise, 1 gram is a good benchmark to go for. Now, what kind of protein powder you want to take is completely up to you. If you're on a budget, you might want to go with whey protein, which is by far the cheapest. All whey is a byproduct of milk. However, if you're lactose intolerant, you might want to consider other proteins like beef and egg. Or if you're a vegan or vegetarian, there's soy, rice, and pea. The choice is completely up to you, really. Number 2, a multivitamin. Personally, I believe that every person on the planet should be taking a good multivitamin. For the most part, even if we do eat a super clean diet, it's hard for us to meet all of our vitamin and mineral needs. And a good multivitamin is going to help fill those gaps. This is especially true if you live an active lifestyle. You're putting more demand and more stress on your body than the average Joe. And you need to make sure that your body is getting all its needs. Try to look for a multivitamin that caters to your lifestyle. You can usually find them in your local grocery stores, but you can also find them pretty cheap online as well. Number 3, essential fatty acids. Now, don't be scared of the word fat. These are good fats. Not the kind of fats you get from a Big Mac. The good fats will help kick the bad fats out of your body. Remember that Big Mac you had earlier? Well, if you supplement omega-3 and omega-6, it'll help lessen the damage. I personally wouldn't recommend eating Big Macs, but hey, we all need a cheat meal every once in a while, am I right? Essential fatty acids will help decrease bad cholesterol while increasing good cholesterol. It'll also help with healthy skin, healthy brain function, improved digestive system, and that's just naming a few. It's recommended to hit a 1-for-1 ratio from omega-3 and omega-6. About a tablespoon of flaxseed should do the trick. You can also use fish oils as well. Number 4, creatine. The cheapest supplement and the one that will probably last the longest as well, because you don't need much. Only 5 grams a day, which is about 1 teaspoon. Now, I'm not going to get too sciencey. What makes creatine so good, but in short, it helps replenish ATP levels during active activity. It's also shown to have great strength benefits. Other benefits include restore glycogen system, reduce depression, and an increase in energy.
But Jeff, I heard creatine is terrible for your liver and kidneys. Not only that, it may also help promote baldness.
Worry not. Most of the studies have been proven false, or there's not enough evidence yet to actually confirm those claims. The only known side effect for creatine is water retention in the cells, which really isn't that bad. Number 5. Greens. Do you eat your recommended fruits and veggie intake a day? Do you have an apple or a cup of broccoli with all your meals? For most people, probably not. Most people are worried about their protein intake and their carb intake, and they seem to forget about the importance of fruits and veggies. All greens are vegetable extracts put into a powder form. Mix 1 serving of greens with milk, water, juice, whatever, and you'll have 8 servings of vegetables right there. That's about 80% of your recommended intake. But veggies don't build muscle, right? Fruits and veggies help balance out your alkaline levels. If you eat a high protein diet, which is especially true if you eat a lot of meat, it's all very acidic. And if your acidic levels get too high, you can make yourself sick. Making sure you eat your recommended fruit and veggie intake will help balance it out. And help create the ideal anabolic level so you can keep building muscle. So, in a way, yes, fruits and veggies can help you build muscle. There are many benefits to greens, much more than I can list in the video. And if you're interested in learning more about it, do a quick little Google search. Now, I will admit that out of all the supplements I listed here, greens is the most expensive, and you probably are better off just trying to eat a salad with all of your meals. But until you get into the habit of that, I would recommend a serving of greens a day. And if you look online, I'm sure you can find it relatively cheap. Actually, I'm sure you can find it relatively cheap online. Anyway, those are 5 supplements I believe that you should be taking if you want to start upping your supplement game. What supplements do you like to take? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, smack that thumbs up button for me and support this channel. And with all that being said, I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.